Hello there, this is Anna. What I have here is the NQ futures. Now, as you know, they just open up micro futures. You can definitely start doing the micro futures for inexpensive margin. I think they run about $800 for the margin for the micro futures, and it's 50 cents per tick. There's 4 ticks and in 1 point, so you'll get $2 per point. So if NQ, I mean M and Q, I believe the micro futures is, move 50, you would get um, $100. Is that right? So it's 50 cents, like, yeah, it's $100. So okay, let's talk about the NQ and the stuff that I have in here. Now, in the morning, before I even enter or do anything, looking at the chart, I normally draw a line, pre-market high, pre-market low. That's how I do it. Now, also, I have this orange line here as a weekly VWAP. The red line is a day VWAP. The green line is the 233 EMA, and this that's kind of turquoise or kind of greenish line. That's the adaptive 21 EMA, or you can even use the 8 EMA to catch the candles. They're really good on trying to get below the candles. Now, when I do trade, I need to know if I'm bullish or bearish, right? Before I even enter the trade. Very important. How I know that is if the first candle is above the VWAP, day VWAP on any stock. This is true on any stock, to me at least, for whatever I'm trading that I run across to. They normally go higher, and so I look at that as the indication. The weekly especially, that's bullish to me. Now, you could also have the shaft trend. That's the name. I think it's a sharp simple trend, something like that. They would say uptrend or downtrend or sideways. You could have that there. It's in toss. And then the DMI. If you're visual like me, I need to know, to me get confirmation, but in a simple way to kind of know where we're going, really. So I did explain everything right already. If you have any questions, just ask me. I will get back to you. Now, I do draw the highs and low when the trend started. So from here to here, because that was the first high and that's the first low. And so I have a 161.7741. I did target that on my second entry. If you like the Fibonacci, I normally make an enter around 100%, and then on the 50 or 61 retracement on the Fibonacci. That's how I do mine. I don't know others how they do theirs, but that's just me. It works out perfect for my preference. And so, like right here on the pullback, I did get in 76, 76. I think I was kind of late. I was doing something else too besides that. So I did enter there. And then I target the 77.13, which is the R2 on the pivot, which translates to 127 to retracement, really. It's all about the Fibonacci and the pivot lines. Now, this pivot lines that I have here, it's integrated with the Fibonacci numbers too. Yeah, I am a fan of Fibonacci numbers. So, okay, my second entry is the pullback, the 100% 76.96. I did enter that, and then I exited on the 77.41 at 1618 retracement. So that's how I do mine. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. Also, I have a zigzag. This zigzag, I call it the wave zigzag because it gives me, I am in a W pattern. I'm not very good in drawing, and so I needed that there. Another thing too, when we are in a sideways, it's actually good to know, the highs and lows, because you can definitely enter the highs and lows of the zigzag, and you can use it with either the RSI or stochastic to find out where the highs and lows when we are in a zigzag on a sideways days that a lot of the retail traders have problems with. So let me see what you think, and I'll respond, whenever I can. Thank you, and have a good evening.